Alright guys, welcome back. Now before we begin, I feel stupid for not doing this in the last series, in the beginner series. Let me run this code. If I right click, I can scale up this font so you can actually see what's going on. I'm going to control up. I'm going to make this big so we can see. Oh, I feel stupid. Alright, anyway. Well, I learned something today. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, let's pick up where we left off. Okay, we're gonna build this. We don't have to build it. I just wanted to see the text actually go in size. All right. Yeah. So far we only covered one type of program statement. It's just System.out.print line. That's all we know. Now there's much more out there, but now we're gonna introduce the print statement. This is different. Now watch this. So as we can see from the last run, it's on two separate lines. When we run this one, it's all on the same line. So basically when we go to this one, there's a wasp right in front of me. It's freaking me out. Alright, we're not typing LN. There is an invisible new line character. It's registered by a computer as a separate character. It's not a character on the keyboard. It's kind of like pressing the enter key right here. But it's there. When we go back to here, it's all just stuck together. It's glued together on the same line because we don't have this new line being stuck at the end of it. With this line here, there's like a new line being stuck at the end right here where the blinker is before it goes. Let's get rid of this one now. Alright, now let's run it. And even the build successful portion is on the same line, right? Now this part's not actually part of our program. If we were to run this again, like I said, old school style, in the command prompt, like it would just say, welcome. This is the next series all in one line and stop. It wouldn't say build successful or any of that. That's what this IDE, this Apache NetBeans is doing is with the green text. Same thing with this gray here, but what's actually printed in black here is actually us, our program. Okay? But basically, we just learned about the new line character implicitly. Yeah, there's many different characters. There's even tab characters. There's even backspace characters, which will be a little confusing at first. But we're going to talk about some special characters in the next video. So let me go back to make this looking normal. Print line, print line. We're going to talk about some escape characters next. And that's the end of this video. Now, you might be thinking, hey, look, this is exactly like the beginner series. I'm picking up. It's alright, alright? You can start here in this series. Thank you for watching. Let's learn more about some special characters in the next video.